MC channel.
Listening test. Listening test. For each question, choose the correct answer, A, B, or C. Hello everyone, let me tell you about Tet, the Lunar New Year in Vietnam. It is the most important celebration of the year. Before Tet, families clean their houses and decorate them with peach blossoms, apricot blossoms, and kumquat trees. They also hang calendars and prepare traditional foods like sticky rice and jellied meat. On New Year's Eve, people often gather for a family dinner and watch fireworks at midnight. It is a magical moment. During Tet, children receive lucky money in red envelopes. Families visit relatives, make wishes, and go to pagodas to pray for health and happiness. Some families also believe in the first footer. The first person to enter their house after midnight is thought to bring good luck or bad luck, depending on their behaviour. That's why they choose the first footer carefully. Tet is a time for everyone to celebrate and welcome the new year with joy and hope. It is a beautiful tradition that brings families together.
I'm truly grateful for your time and support on MC channel. Thank you for choosing my video. I'm truly grateful for your time and support on MC channel. Thank you for choosing my videos.